Are you seeing the "sorry, you have been blocked" error when trying to use ChatGPT? Don't worry, this is a pretty straightforward fix. Welcome to How to Easy Quick. Today, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to resolve this pesky issue, whether you're on your PC or mobile. First things first, this error usually happens for a few reasons. It could be your VPN, old OpenAI site data, or certain browser extensions causing conflicts. Disable your VPN. If you're on Windows, click here to search for Settings and click to open it. This will open the Settings page. On this page, you can see Network and Internet. Click to open it. Again, this will open a new page, and on the left side menu bar, click on VPN to open it. Here, make sure the VPN is turned off. If it's not, turn it off. Now refresh the ChatGPT page and hope this has fixed the error. If this didn't work for you, then try the next method. Clear browser data now. Let's jump into browser settings. I'll be using Google Chrome as an example. To open your browser settings, click on the three dots in the upper right corner, and from the menu, click on Settings. This will open a new page. On this page, head to Privacy and Security in the left side menu bar and click to open it. Now click on Third-Party Cookies, and this will bring you to a new page. Here, click on See All Site Data and Permissions to open it. Next, search for OpenAI.com and delete any related data and cookies if you find them. After that, refresh the page and log back into your account. This should solve the issue for most of you. If it still didn't work, try the third method. Disable browser extensions. In this method, you will be disabling your browser extensions. To do that, click on the three dots in the upper right corner and then click on Settings. Once the Settings page is open, click on Extensions down here. If there are any extensions, turn them off or disable them. Once you're done with that, refresh the ChatGPT page. Now your issue is fixed, and you can sign back into ChatGPT and use it for your prompt tasks. I hope this helped you out. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next one.